Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making hominy corn porridge for you, something different from my other videos, so I do hope you enjoy this video. I'll be back with the preparation. This is my pre-soaked corn with a little sugar and a little salt. I'm gonna add a little bit more water and allow it to pressure until it is tender. The corn is now on the stove, so I'm giving it 10 minutes before I check on it to see that it is tender enough, and before I will add the other ingredients. So I'll be back. So my corn is not adequately cooked, so I'm gonna add the other ingredients. So come. So guys, I have my stuff ready. I have my cinnamon powder, which is right here, coconut milk, vanilla. This was the corn that I used, some of it, and now I have some cinnamon leaf and some nutmeg ready to spice up my corn and get it ready to cook. In light of the COVID isolation, we have to use what we have inside to make do. So I add these. So these are what I'm going to be using. The milk is to come and the sugar. So I'm gonna make in the paste to bring the porridge together, which is cornstarch mixed with the milk. First thing, porridge is on the fire now, so I'm gonna get ready to add some more water and to add the cornstarch with the milk, mix it with the milk in order to get the body of my porridge. So we're back. So I've added my coconut milk and the cinnamon leaf for it to go on, cook a little bit so that the milk can be adequately cooked and the cinnamon leaf can flavor the liquid. So I'll be back when it's time to add the cornstarch to thicken it, to give it the body that it has when it's cooked. So we're back. Milk is cooked. I'm going to be adding the cornstarch that will give it the body it needs. So I'm gonna be doing that right now. If you don't have cornstarch, you can use flour and make your paste, whatever you prefer. If cornstarch or flour, that's fine. I have my cornstarch, so I'm gonna be adding my spice, my nutmeg, cinnamon and vanilla. I've added a little bit of extra salt because I didn't add enough when it was being soaked. So you can add up to taste as you like or prefer. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna leave this now to properly cook, and when I'm finished, I'll let you see my finished product. But before I do that, I'll use some milk, sweetened condensed milk, to add taste. Guys, my porridge is looking lovely and really smells great. So can't wait for it to finish. So guys, my porridge is ready to be sweetened. I'm gonna using a little bit of milk, sweetening to taste, and a bit of sugar. So you can sweeten it how you prefer your porridge to be sweetened. So I'm gonna be doing that now. Guys, my porridge is now ready to be eaten. Yes, so I use buttermilk and a little sugar, but if you don't, you can use just Tabasco or regular milk to sweeten if you don't like sweet. So you can use anything you want to sweeten it, as long as that's your taste and that's your preference. So here is my hominy corn porridge from my kitchen. I hope you enjoy it, as I am going to devour this bowl. Smells so good. See you next time. Remember to like all my videos, subscribe to the others. This looks delicious. I'm gonna devour it shortly. Thank you guys for watching.